Okay, so let's start the program. So let's take an integer, the value of 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 2 1. Okay, so what is a palindrome number which should be similar if we start counting from start or from end? Okay, so 1 2 3 2 1. So if we count from last also 1 2 3 2 1, it should be same. So basically what we have to do, we have to reverse this number and we have to check whether it matches with n or not. Easy. Okay, so let's uh, put this number in one more variable x. Okay, so we have kept the value of n in x also. Later we'll check x with some value. Okay, after we reverse the value, so just reverse the value, this integer, and check if it is matching with x or not. Okay, so let's start this. So how to reverse a program? So for a reverse, we have to take a remainder for this particular. So if we take a remainder for this number, we'll get 1. The last value will get, okay, whatever the number we have. If we do a mod with 10, we'll get the last digit, okay, as a remainder. So we have got 1 here from last and remainder. Okay, so we'll declare this variable also remainder. I'll initialize the value with 0. Okay, then I'll take one more value. What we'll do now, because we have to print 1 2 3 2 1, so 1. So we have got 1 as a remainder. Okay, now what we'll do, let's show you. Okay, so okay, now we have to print, after 1 we have to print 2. We have already got 1 in a remainder. Okay, 1, after that 2, then 3. Okay, from last time saying, from backward. Okay, so we have got sum is in a, I'll initialize sum also as a 0. Okay, then what is the value of sum? 0 multiply by sum is 10 plus remainder. So remainder was 1 because we have got the last value here from this number 1 in remainder. So this sum will be 1. Okay, no need to worry, I'll explain that in later. Now n equals to n divided by 10. So what it will return? It will return 1 2 3 2. It will remove the last digit because we are dividing n by 10. So whatever the value after a decimal, it should be like this, right? 1232.1. But after the decimal, it will remove because the variable type, like the data type for n is integer. So it will remove this value and it will only take 1232. Okay, now the value of n is 1232. So it should run only when n is greater than 0. Yeah, right, like from 1 2 3 2 1, after that it should not run. So that's why we have kept a loop here. So let's explain this also. Okay, 1 2 3 2 is the value of this, the value of sum is 1 and the remainder is 1. Now again the loop will come, the value of this one is now 1 2 3 2. It will come here, it is greater than 0, correct? The remainder will be, now what will, it was 1 initially, now the remainder will be 2. The last value is 2 now. Okay, 1 is gone, suppose. Now the last value is 2. Okay, so the remainder is 2 now. It will come here 2. Sum was 1 previously, right? We did this calculation and we have kept in sum as 1. Now 1 into 10 is 10 plus remainder was 2. So now value is 12. Okay, so now in sum we have the value as 12, right? Because we did that 1 into 10 plus 2. Okay, this is the formula. And 1 into 10, it was 10 plus 2 is 12. Now we have got 1 2 in sum we have value as 1 2. Okay, 1 2. Again we'll come back here, we'll do n equals to n divided by 10. Now the value of n is 1 2 3. It will come here, 1 2 3 is greater than 0. Again it will come, the remainder will be 1 2 3 mod 10. So last value is 3, so it will come as 3. So now the value of remainder is 3 3. Value of sum was 12. Okay, so 12 into 10 plus 3 will be the value. 12 into 10, 120 plus 3, 123. Okay, we have got 123. Now again n equals to n divided by 10, that means it will remove the last digit, it will come again, and the value of n is 12 greater than 0, correct. Now remainder will be 12 mod 10, the last value is 2. Okay, again the value of remainder is here. Okay, so we have got the value is 1 2 3 as sum, multiply by 10, that is multiply by 10 plus remainder, the remainder was 2 plus 2. So 120, 1230 plus 2, that is 1232. Okay, this 1232 came into sum. Okay, now n, what is the value of n? N was 12 before. Now it will be divided by 10, means the value of n is 1 now. 1 is greater than 0, correct. 1 mod 10. 1, whatever the number you will do mod with 10 will give you the same as a remainder, same number as a remainder. Okay, now the remainder is 1, come 1, 3 into 10, because the value of sum was 1232. 2 into 10 plus 1, because the remainder was 1 now. So this will return 12321. Now this value come in sum. Okay, so number is a reverse now. We have got this string in sum now. Okay, let's remove this thing also. Now we'll check this. Normally we have already did the reverse. We'll check if x, because in x we have taken the value of n, because the value of n now is something else, 0. Suppose the value of n is 0 now, because we already did 1 divided by 10, that is 0. So we'll check x equals to sum, because in sum we have the reverse string, that is 1 2 3 2 3. Okay, this should match with this. If these two are matching, then the number is palindrome. Okay, means whatever the number, if we are reading it from backward, like 1 1 1 3 3 1, this also is palindrome number, because if we read from start or from the end, it should be same. So 1331, from last we fill it 1331. Okay, similarly if these two are matching, then we can print system dot out is palindrome. Sorry. Okay, or else it's not a palindrome, not palindrome. Okay, just execute this program, we'll see. Okay, let's remove this number from here. Okay, this also, these are the errors. Okay, this is a palindrome number. Now if I'll add 2 here, it is not a palindrome number. It should be not palindrome, not palindrome. Okay, so like that you can mention. Or else one more thing, you is palindrome is not palindrome. So we can print the value of sum also, that is a reverse value. This is not a palindrome. If we'll remove from here, it is a palindrome. 1 2 3 2 1. Okay, one more number if we'll give 1331, that is a palindrome number. So 1331 is a palindrome. Okay, so very easy, just reverse the number and just compare it with the first number whatever you have given. Okay, thank you.